We're on our way to Susan Creek Falls, which is one of the settings in the Hidden Falls music video. And I'm going to try to play some violin there. I was initially inspired to do this trip to Oregon because of one of my favorite musicians. Her name is Taylor Davis. If you haven't heard of her music, I highly recommend you check it out. She plays the violin and I do too, so she's been a really big influence in my life in a number of different ways. So I really wanted to travel to Oregon to visit some of the places where she has filmed some of her music videos. One of the locations she filmed her music videos was Susan Creek Falls, and another one was Waterfalls. And they're in pretty close of a location, and they were a little bit of a drive from where we were staying, but it was an opportunity for us to explore and get out and see some nature, and we really enjoyed hiking, so I've got a lot of different footage from that, and it was a really peaceful, beautiful day. My good-willed husband has helped me so much, but I made it to Susan Creek Falls. I have no idea if I could actually be heard, with my violin and my Hound and Fox shirt. And this is the site of one of my favorite musicians, Taylor Davis's music video, Hidden Falls, or it's one of the falls. So I'm so excited to be here because it's really beautiful and I love her music, and I was really inspired by the song, and I wanted to come here and play it myself. So I'm finally here and I'm just so excited. I'm really giddy, and my poor husband just thinks I'm really crazy. And there's a lot of mist coming off of the waterfalls, so I'm probably insane for having brought this baby here, but oh well. So it's super bright. We just finished hiking at Susan Creek Falls, which was so beautiful and so amazing, and it was really meaningful for me personally just because I love Taylor Davis's music, and she filmed a music video there for one of my favorite songs actually. It's called Hidden Falls. So I went there and I played violin there and I played that song. So it was a very special moment, just really nice, and it was very relaxing. We had the falls to ourselves actually, and on the way back we encountered a couple different people, you know, walking towards the falls. So it was nice to have that moment to ourselves and just play very peacefully. It was great. With a jolly drum buck that you've got in your tucker bag, you'll come a waltzing, you scoundrel, with me. so incredibly beautiful. My husband is such a trooper. He hiked with me to 2 different locations and we got video footage and he helped me film, so I'm very lucky. And yeah, we had a good time hiking 2 different locations. Susan Creek Falls and Watson Falls, which is, can't see it, but it's in the background somewhere. Yeah, it's very lovely.
So I was a little wobbly, hopefully not too bad.
That's okay.
And I accidentally caught some of the side of the fence in there too.
That's okay.
I realized what I should have done.
Hi Taylor, my name's Hope Nelson and I wanted to let you know that your music really inspired me and I really love the song Hidden Falls. And when I watched your behind the scenes video, I was really inspired to come to Oregon, and I'm actually graduating from Oregon State University this Saturday and we decided to come hiking, and I wanted definitely to find the 2 different falls that you filmed at for your music video. So we came here and I played on my own violin because I love playing the violin, and I played Hidden Falls at Susan Creek Falls and I'm going to go to Watson Falls next. So I just wanted to say thank you for your beautiful music and for inspiring me, and yeah, thank you.